What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. That was so fast, I almost hit myself in the face with my titties. But in today's video, I think I have a good one. Hopefully, I don't know, people are probably gonna hate me. But if you guys haven't checked out my previous video before where I've reviewed / rated one of my followers' makeup, please check it out. I'll leave it up here and I'll leave it down below as well so you guys can check it out. This amazing girl gave me an idea to review her makeup, and you know what? I did it. Shout out to Skelotim. I did it and I was like, you know what? I'm inspired to do this of big popular beauty gurus. So I know they got a lot of stans, so they're probably gonna come for me, but you know what? It is what it is. I'm just giving my honest opinion and that's it. So in today's video, I'm gonna be rating Jeffree Star's makeup looks. So I'm a little nervous for this, you know, because damn, some of these big YouTubers, when they have their stands, they really go hard for them. So hopefully everyone knows that I mean this out of no malicious, no hateful way, you know, just, it's all fun, you know, just rating the makeup. If it looks like shit, I'm gonna say it looks like shit. If it looks great, I'm gonna say it looks great. And that's it. There's really nothing to it. No shade, no tea, maybe tea, no shade. You know what I mean. Anyways, you guys, if you guys like this type of video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you guys are new here, please subscribe and make sure you guys press the bell. You have to press the bell because so many people are like, oh my gosh, I hope you come back, I hope you come back. And I'm like, girl, I've made like 5 videos, 6 videos within the past 10 days. So I am back and I'm just keeping this going. I'm like a hamster wheel right now, just going. And I really want to keep it going. So make sure you guys hit that bell so that way you guys get notified when I upload a new video so you guys don't miss out on all this action, and you guys don't want to miss out on this shit, okay? So if you guys are interested in seeing my opinions, my thoughts, and my ratings of Jeffree Star's makeup, then go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, you guys, so starting this off, I'm doing my little screen record here. So Jeffree Star has 13.3 million followers. So that should let you know that his personality and his talent should be pretty damn good. So let's go ahead and start this off with his very first picture right here with his green hair. I actually love this overall look. I think it is beautiful, and zooming in on the makeup, I have to tell you, I love him without brows. Like, I feel like the shadow just blends up onto his brow bone beautifully. I absolutely love it. The hair in this, amazing. I love this whole look. I think it's great. Yeah, no fucking complaints there. I think it is beautiful. All right, going in here with his, okay, I don't know, maybe this is, you know, just for the thumbnail, I guess, but his makeup looks real janky right here. Them eyelashes look janky, not blended in. Right here, it doesn't look good that he doesn't have eyebrows, and he has on 2 different color eyes. I wonder why he would do that. I don't really know. I haven't seen this video, but yeah, the makeup right here, because them lashes look real wonky, not blended in, and just not good at all. But maybe it's just for the thumbnail, you know, because sometimes as a YouTuber, you create a, you know, a bad thumbnail because you want people to watch the video, so it creates a little bit more curiosity to watch. So maybe that's why, but yeah, his makeup does not look good right there. So I would have to watch the video to see. So let's go in here. Ooh, this look is beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love it. Well, I do notice that the gloss is not blended in, so if you look at the lip right there, to me that's not blended in, but the rest of the look is stunning. Like blush, highlight, everything is bomb with this. I really do love him without brows. I think it's great. Oh wow, we have a throwback picture here. Okay, this is what I personally wanted to talk about, and you guys are probably gonna be like, you're a fucking bitch, but his eyebrows, I'm sorry, but when he used to draw on his eyebrows and I would watch his videos, I'm like, he does a horrible job at drawing on his eyebrows. I feel like this is really terrible. I don't want to be a bitch, but I'm like, come on, that is really bad considering it's like, you're Jeffree fucking Star. Like, them eyebrows could be way better, boo. That's just my personal opinion, but hey, to each their own, you know. Maybe you guys really like that style, maybe he really likes that style, I don't know, but I personally do not like it. And speaking of eyebrows, his eyebrows look amazing here. He had to have not done these for sure. Not being shady, I'm just saying this is not his work. Let me see. Let's see if he tagged Lipstick Nick. Yep, he sure did. So Lipstick Nick did his makeup right here. The brows look amazing because I just don't think that he has the skill level to do his brows like that, which I know sounds shady, but what I'm saying is every time that I've seen him do his brows, they're just like that previous picture, and they're kind of a little janky, but right here, bomb. If he could do his brows like this, damn, I love them. I think they look perfect, and that flick of hair is absolutely beautiful. Okay, and this look right here, honestly, I don't like it. I feel like it looks like cheap, like a cheap hooker. And you know what though? Maybe that's the look he was going for. You see, sometimes I'm gonna be talking shit about this, and then it's gonna be like, that's the look I was going for. But right here, I really don't like it. I feel like that shadow just, I don't know, it doesn't make any sense. He should have put something underneath his eye. His under eye looks very naked and very awkward. And the blending of the shadow is just really weird to me too, because it's placed on the lid. I don't know if you guys can tell, but then it just looks like stopped there and then like just blended up in a hurry. Like he was just like, you know what, I gotta get this video up in 10 minutes, so let me just hurry the hell up and do my makeup. And I think that, oh no, I think that it shows that he did not take a lot of time on his makeup on this specific look, because that looks terrible. I'm sorry, it just looks like cheap hooker to me. Okay, I am sure Lipstick Nick did the makeup for this. I am just pretty damn sure. Maybe I'm wrong. Let me see, hold on, is it tagged? It's not tagged. Lipstick Nick, yeah, Lipstick Nick. I shouldn't even be commenting on it because Lipstick Nick did it, but this look right here, you guys, is, damn. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely. I literally, this is literally, it makes me wet. I feel like it is so fucking beautiful. I'm obsessed with this look, and oh my gosh, if I could look like that every damn day, I would. Lipstick Nick, where you at, boo? Can you transform me? Because this is amazing. Okay, and this look right here I actually thought was really fun, and I like the hair, but okay, is it just me, or does him with a grill like fucking scare the fuck out of you? Like, no tea, no shade. If he just popped up with this grill like this, I would literally run. And that's hard for you guys to imagine my fat ass running, but I would run, because this to me is, I don't know, it just looks scary. The makeup is so pretty, the hair is pretty, but that grill to me, I don't know, it just reminds me of something in my nightmares. And I'm so sorry, Jeffree. Love you, boo-boo, but I hate the fucking grill. I think it looks terrible. Let's look at this same look without the grill. Okay, oh my gosh. Obviously, I know he's wearing the grill just for fun. I'm just saying, but this look is bomb. His hair looks like, I don't know, like some type of rainbow sherbet, like just gorgeous. Not rainbow sherbet, what the fuck am I talking about? Like a mango sherbet. You know what I'm trying to say, okay? Makeup stunning. I love the pop of blue on the bottom. I think it is beautiful. This look is great, just don't wear that damn grill. Okay, perfect up close example here of the brows. I'm so sorry. Like, his eyeshadow looks amazing here, but them brows, like, I don't know, it just looks like one swipe and just, I don't know, I really don't understand it, because I personally think that he's a good makeup artist. Like, I honestly got inspired to start doing makeup because of him. So I just don't understand what's up with his brows. Maybe he just doesn't give a fuck to take any time to do them. But really, the brows are just, I'm sorry, but they kill me. The eyeshadow, oh my gosh, it's beautiful. The pop of white on his waterline, the blending, everything is bomb. But the eyebrows to me just look really, I don't know, like unpolished, quick, and just like, I don't give a fuck, let me hurry up and do them. Okay, you guys, when I saw the Alien collection palette launch review campaign, whatever you want to call this whole thing, I literally gagged. This was stunning. Like the headpiece, the makeup, everything. Once again, I'm sitting over here and I'm loving all the makeups that probably Lipstick Nick did. Let's see if she did it, if she's tagged on here. Lipstick Nick, yep, she is out of this world amazing, like literally amazing. But he has the perfect canvas for this, and which I'm pretty damn sure he could do this makeup too, like the face makeup, obviously not the special effects, but I think he could do this too. I think this is so beautiful. I literally gagged. I was like, oh my god, this campaign bomb. Okay, and this look right here with the Fenty Beauty holiday collection, I am so sorry, but I just do not like it at all. It just looks really just thrown on there, smacked on there. I don't like it. I don't know. Personally, I would have done a lot more with that color, but maybe he was going for more of an editorial type of look, because this looks like something that you would see in a magazine or, you know, something on a fashion show. But yeah, I just really don't like it at all. Okay, and you know what I really feel right now, and you guys know from my videos, if you guys haven't checked out the beauty gurus I don't like, I'll leave that linked up right here so that way you guys can check it out, so you can see my opinions on Jeffree as a person. But here we are talking about artistry, and everyone's just gonna be like, bitch, you're talking a whole lot of shit. But this is, once again, just my opinions, okay? Now this look right here, I honestly, that eyeliner to me is just, terrible. Like, it looks janky and not polished. And how come you see blue in between his lash line and the liner, and then blue on the outer corner of his eye? Yeah, that is not, I don't know. Like, I feel like maybe recently, because you know what, he's so popular and so famous, he's just like, I don't give a fuck to really like go ham on it, because he has the money to pay Lipstick Nick to do his makeup. Which, let me tell you guys, if I had money like that, although I do love doing my own makeup because it's like releasing my creativeness, you know, I would definitely pay a bomb-ass makeup artist to do my makeup all the time, because why not? You get to just sit there, relax, and let them create everything on you. But it seems to me that he just kind of like low-key is just like, you know what, let me just rush this shit. But yeah, I don't know. I really feel like he could have done so much better than that. Okay, once again, let's go ahead and take a look at the eyeliner here. He even blurred it the hell out, because it just looks chunky and not precise, and damn, I don't know. You know what? To be honest with you, I never really paid attention to. There's a lot of flaws within his makeup, which is good. You know, like I said before, no one's gonna be perfect all the damn time. Clearly, you guys know, look at some of my makeup looks and things could have been improved, but I really sit there and try my hardest to make sure everything looks perfect, especially if I'm gonna be taking a picture of it. And this right here just looks really, that liner to me is like, whoa, not good at all. And that's coming from me, who, you guys know, I tell you guys all the time, my eyeliner skills are really not all that great, but they're definitely better than this. That to me is just like, wow, you had to blur it that much. But you know what's so crazy is no matter what, he still looks beautiful. He's just a very beautiful guy, like super beautiful, even with this eyeliner. And even that inner corner just does not look, it looks so random and misplaced, and just, I don't know, everything looks like it's done in a hurry. All right, you guys, so that is my thoughts and opinions and ratings on Jeffree Star's makeup skills. If I had to give it a rating out of 5 stars, I would say 3.5. I do think that he could definitely do way better with his eyeliner and his eyebrows. And it's so crazy, after taking a look at this in depth, I never really noticed that he could have worked really harder on some things and made things a little bit more perfect, which I'm not saying you have to be perfect, but I'm just saying 13.3 million followers and he's Jeffree fucking Star. Like, you would think that everything's gonna be perfect, but the makeup that Lipstick Nick does on him is absolutely perfection. 10 out of 10, 5 stars, absolutely amazing. But you know what? He's Jeffree Star. He can afford to pay Lipstick Nick to do his makeup all the time. So if I was him, I would be having Lipstick Nick do it all the time too, because I could just sit there and relax. But rating him as a makeup artist, I would say 3.5, maybe 3 out of 5. That's just my personal opinion. I want you guys to let me know your guys' thoughts and opinions on his makeup skills, because a lot of times people will say, I don't think I could be a YouTuber because my makeup skills are not that good. I don't think I could post pictures of my makeup on Instagram because I don't think it's that good. And I want to do this little series reviewing big YouTubers' makeup because I want to show you guys that you guys really are your biggest critic. Because if you look at some of these big beauty gurus, you could do makeup very, very similar, if not better than them, you know? So I'm not being shady, not hating at all, just giving my opinion to you guys. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe, I'd appreciate that, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace out, Girl Scout. Oh, you know what? Wait, hold on. Tell me in the comments below whose makeup you want me to review next. Let me know.